everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video and show off just an idea of a few upcoming builds I've got coming on. So without any further ado, I picked up some really nice, I've been looking into Heim Dollar, not their watches, but just their cases and their straps, bracelets, I guess. Really nice quality. I'm not going to complain. They are very well built. The only, the only downside, of course, there's always one, is that, well, they're branded. If I could ever get this little piece of paper off, come on. There we go. Yeah, a Heim Dollar brand. But honestly, I don't really care. I got bracelets and cases to match for a couple upcoming builds. These are, it is a solid, weighty Jubilee, without a doubt. Solid end links, milled clasp. I like these bracelets. These are the cases to match. Which one? I already had one open. Here we go. There we go. There's the 3M for the insert. Ceramic insert. Divers insert. With a really nice, and there you shoot, you can even see it there. Really good lume on that pip there. No complaints about that insert, but even just looking at it, I can tell, I'm almost positive this is a little bit narrower in diameter than your average, say, SKX insert. So I think it's only going to fit with their case. And I found that out to my own dismay about the bracelets. I actually ordered the bracelets for an SKX, some SKX builds, only to find out after they arrived they actually do not fit the average SKX case. They are basically proprietary. You have to have a Heim Dollar case to go with their bracelets. So I had to order some of their cases, but I won't complain again, I guess. I mean, you live, you learn. That's a really gorgeous, like, potent AR on there. Looks really good on that sapphire. It's a really, really nice looking case. The only thing I wish it had were, drilled lugs. That would have been icing on the cake. But screw down crown, and I thought it was going to come with a Heim Dollar logo on the back, but it does not. These came with like the Wave logo, so that's all right. So it's only the little stamp on the bracelet. I can live with that. Screw down crown, chapter ring inside. Really good, solid, stiff feeling bezel. So I won't complain, I guess. It was my own mistake for not doing proper research. Do proper research. Here's one of the dial ideas I have for going into those cases. I really like these black sunburst dials. So I got a couple of those. So that's one idea I've got going on. Another, I know I've shown you guys this before. These are OEM Seiko SNX 375 cases, bracelet and cases that I have. Now I'll just give you a little sneak peek, because this is the case. I got a couple of these builds coming up, but I've been waiting for the hands. So those builds are coming up. I also have another couple builds. I'll give you guys a little sneak preview on. I've been waiting to, I'm still waiting on parts for these, but I figure I'll give it a little sneak peek. If you haven't seen my Instagram or other places, you haven't seen these, so there you go. I got a couple of these built coming up. A couple of blue ones and a couple white ones. So that's really about it. Let's see if I can grab a knife here and I'll get into this case. I'll just show you guys this real quick while we're here. I mean, you can always go back and look at my other videos. Please do. I appreciate that as well. But, come on. Oh, just in case anybody is interested, I am going to be running a bit of a summer sale in my Etsy store. So everything's going to be 10% off across the entire store, anything that's up there, with the exception of already discounted items. I think I have one in there right now. But June 21st to July 21st. So 30 days, you guys can get 10% off everything I've got in stock. So here you go. OEM Seiko SNX 375 case. I've got a couple of these coming up right away. Not the highest end bracelets, but it is what it is. It's OEM Seiko, so I hope that means something to somebody. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoy this little preview. I hope you guys tune in to come see what, see the builds and how they look. Hope you guys tell your friends. Feel free to please stop by my Etsy shop if you guys are actually looking to pick something up or you'd like to, collaborate something or got ideas. Please feel free to drop me a line any way that you can. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day. Take care.